Hello everyone, welcome back to our database management system SQL tutorial series. In today's video, we will learn one of the most important topics in SQL, that is data definition language, commonly known as DDL commands. DDL commands are used to define and manage the structure of database objects such as tables. By the end of this video, you will understand what DDL is, features of DDL, then different commands like create, alter, drop, truncate and rename, along with practical demonstrations. So now let us begin with first, that is data definition language. These SQL commands are used to create, modify and delete the structure of database objects. Now what these database objects are? These include tables, views, indexes, sequences and constraints. Unlike DML commands, DDL commands mainly work on the structure, that is schema of the database, rather than the data itself. Now we'll understand the characteristics of data definition language. DDL defines database structure. It will automatically commit changes to database, and it also changes the schema permanently. And DDL cannot be rolled back after execution in most cases. These are the few characteristics of DDL. Then these are the most commonly used DDL commands, like we are having create, alter, drop, truncate and rename. We will see one by one these commands in detail. First we'll start with the create command. The create command is used to create new database objects such as tables. We will understand the syntax of create command, how to write create command. So here we will have this particular create table command, then table name, and inside that we'll be having column 1 and data type, column 2 data type, column 3 data type. Column, this is nothing but a data that we are having in our table. Let us consider this example beside create table students. We are creating table with the name students, and in that we will be having data as a student ID, student name, age and city. We are also providing data type, like for student ID we are having number data type, for name we are having var2 and with the size 50, age we are having number, and city again we are having var2 with size 30. So in this way we can use create command to create the table. Let us now go to the demonstration part with the help of Oracle Live SQL. So this is our user interface for Oracle Live SQL. Now here we will try to execute the create command. So already we are having that create command. So this is the create command for student table we are creating here. So after typing the command here in the worksheet, we will try to run this particular command. So I will click on this run button, and immediately at the output we will get the result. Okay, if you just see the result, what we are getting error because name is already used by existing object. So we are having a table named students. So we need to create a table which is having different name, which is not available in our database already. So I will just write students 1 and then I will try to run. So here I will get the result in the output section, that is table 1 students 1 created. And in the left hand side navigator section, if you just see here, one table is created and we are having these particular variables or columns in the table we can see. Now let us try another way to verify or to check whether our table is created or not. So there is a command DESC, and then we need to type the table name, that is students 1, and then semicolon. I will run this particular command and let us see what we'll get at the output. So we'll get the structure of table, like we are having different fields: student ID, student name, age, city, and the data type of those particular variables at the output section. So with the help of this DESC command, we can check or verify whether our command is executed successfully, and this command displays the table structure including column names and data types. Now we'll move to the next command, that is alter command. So this alter command is used to modify an existing table. If we are having already table which is available in our database, so we can alter that or modify that particular table. What we can do with alter command, we can add a column, modify a column, drop a column name and rename a column. These different tasks we can perform with the help of alter command. Now we'll see the example of alter command. So here adding a column first. So the query is or statement is alter table students, that is our database name, then add email and varchar2 with size 100. So what we are doing here, already we have included different columns in our database like student ID, student name, age and city. Along with those, we also want to include one more column with name email. So we can add with the help of this particular alter command. Then second example, to modify column size. So here student name we have already taken 50 size for that as a varchar2 data type. So here we'll try to change the column size and we are changing it to 100 size. So for that we are having command alter table students modify student underscore name, that is column name, and varchar2 in the parenthesis new size for the column. So whenever we will try to execute these particular commands, after that we will get to see the modifications in our table. Now we'll try to see the demonstration of this alter command with the help of Oracle Live SQL. We'll shift to the Oracle Live SQL. So here we need to just type our command, that is alter table. So I have my command here, alter table students1 our table name, and add email with varchar2 100 size. I will just try to run this command. So here we will get the message after successful execution of this command, table students1 altered. I will again run the second alter command to modify the size of student name variable, and I will point to this particular and I will try to run the command. So here table name we have changed, so due to that we are getting error. Once again I will just run. So again students1 altered. Now once again I will run my DESC command and I will be able to see the structure of my table. So here we will get the structure of table with the column names and data types, student ID, number, student name, again the size is changed to 100, age, city, and then email is the new column that we have added of data type varchar2. So in this way we can use alter command to modify the column, to add the column in the existing table. Then we have our next command, that is drop command. This command is used to permanently remove the database object from the database. Syntax is drop table, we need to write the command or statement, and then table name that we want to drop. So example for this is drop table employee. So here the table with the name employee which we have created will get deleted. Same command we can write to drop our student table also. Then One important thing that we need to keep in mind is that we need to use this command carefully because it permanently removes the object. Now let us move to the demonstration of this drop command. We will switch to the Oracle Live. So here in this worksheet I will type drop table and then our table name students and semicolon. I will just run this. So in this you will get the message at the output section, that is table students 1 dropped, and if you just see the left side section, here also there is no table that visible here. So once we execute this query, the table structure is deleted, all the records are also deleted, constraint and indexes associated with the table are also removed from the database. Then we have our next command, that is last command, truncate. Many beginners confuse between delete and truncate command. The truncate command removes all rows from the table while keeping the table structure intact. It will not remove your table structure. The syntax for this truncate command is truncate table students, and this is the example. So we can see with the help of select command whether entries from the table are removed or not. Select star from students. So now we'll have demonstration, and again we'll go to the Oracle Live SQL. Here I will just type truncate command, truncate table, and I will use the existing table, that is students, which will be having these particular records. Before going to truncate command, I will just show what is available inside that particular table. So select star from students and semicolon. I will run this command. So there are two records 1 and 2 inside this particular students table, that is Rahul, Priya and Pune, Mumbai. Then I will try this truncate command on this table. Type the table name truncate table students. I will run this command. Okay, so I will just again run this select command here only. I will select and execute this command. So there are no entries or records in your table. So these records are removed with the help of the truncate command. So here if we just see, the structure of table will remain as it is, only records in the table will get deleted. Now we'll see the difference between these particular two commands, that is delete and truncate command. So with the delete command it removes selected or all rows. Truncate command removes all rows. Where clause we can use with delete command. We cannot use where clause with truncate command. Delete can remove specific records, but truncate removes entire table data and will keep the structure as it is. Delete command is slower and truncate command is faster. So these are the differences between the delete and truncate command. Then next command we have is a rename command. This command changes the name of an existing database object. So to use this command, here this is the syntax rename. We need to write old table name, and then again below to that, after 2 we are having new table name. So it will replace the name of previous table with the new table name. This is the example. We are having already one table students in our database, and we'll use this command. So students to student underscore details will rename our table, and we'll go to the Oracle Live SQL for demonstration. Here I will just type rename. Old table name is a students, and then I will type new table name, that is student underscore details and semicolon. I will run this. In the left section we'll see whether it will get executed or not. So here the name of the table has renamed from students to student underscore details. So today we have learned what is DDL, characteristics of DDL, create command, alter command, drop, truncate and rename command, and we also have gone through the practical demonstration of these SQL commands. So today we'll stop here. In the next video we'll explore DML commands like insert, update, delete, and with the help of practical examples. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.